First, asbestos and chemical exposure. Just some of the issues cited in a scathing state audit on 4 CSU campuses, including Sacramento State.
People need to know that they're working in a safe environment.
And it doesn't stop there. The audit also says exposure may have led to infertility in some women. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Adrienne Moore.
And I'm Tony Lopez. Among the other issues, faulty laboratory equipment, asbestos exposure, chemical spills, and outdated training safety procedures.
CBS 13's Lamore Abrams has combed through the 90-page report for us to break down the details. Lamore?
Adrienne and Tony, this here is the state audit prompted by a California assemblyman concerned that students and staff here at Sac State may be exposed to hazardous chemicals. Some of these cases are so troubling, they've resulted in a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the university system.
The hardest issue is like when my daughter asks, when is she going to have a sister or a brother? And I just don't know how to answer her.
Christian Martinez is one of 3 defendants claiming chemical exposures in this Sac State building caused lasting damages.
I had a miscarriage last year, so at first I didn't think too much about it.
Until she talked to other lab technicians who say they were exposed to poorly ventilated rooms here, chemical spills, and hazardous materials that were improperly stored.
I worry about my health issues, but more I worry about my staff not being able to have children.
Their experiences emphasized in this state audit, recommending sweeping changes.
We are more thoroughly inspecting eye washes, fire extinguishers, and other safety apparatus.
The Sac State's facility management team says new safety measures are just the beginning. Officials showed us a newly remodeled chemistry lab inside the building in question.
It's an aging building. It's difficult, but as we are doing the best that we can to keep it current.
Problem is, Sequoia Hall may not be alone.
If there are problems in all 4 schools that were audited, there's a pretty good chance there's problems in the other 19.
Assemblyman Jim Wood, who called for the audit, now wants all California state universities to be inspected.
People need to know that they're working in a safe environment.
Well, the CSU chancellor agrees, and beginning in 2019, he says he plans to conduct health and safety audits at all 23 campuses.
Troubling to say the very least. Lamore, thanks so much for that live report.